I'm just about to make Athena some snacks. I'm going to make like savory muffin type things with capsicum, spinach, zucchini, carrot, ricotta, and eggs. Yum! Taste test. Yum. That's so good. Oh my gosh, if you remember these shoes, oh Daddy's not home, but I'll send him a photo. If you remember these shoes from a couple of vlogs ago, they fit. How cute are they? Do you like them? We have swapped children. Oh, there's a little baby. They're just staring at me. Hi. Athena, what sound does a cow make? Are you scared? Look, say hi.
Mommy.
Oh! There you go, buddy. The baby's really cute.
Whoa, it's a big brown one, hey Phoebe?
Dad.
Yeah. Big brown cow.
Mmm.
What is it?
Hi. Hello.
Good girl, hop back up.
Bah. Oh, look at the roosters on the tree.
Wow, Fanny, wow.
Hi. That one is so cute.
Big chicken. Hey, it's okay. Ozzy's hard. Wow.
No! Good golly.
Didn't think to put Mozzie repellent on.
I didn't know chickens could fly. Hello, you're so beautiful and cute. Hi. Oh. Be careful. Good girl. Just be careful. We don't know if they're going to bite. Oh my gosh, this bloody bird.
Chicken?
Hi.
Hi, bud. Alex? Hi guys. Looked smaller on his car than what they do. Like yours looks even.
Content what should feature female.
We were just about to leave to go to the carnival, but it has started raining and there was just a really loud, like, bit of thunder. So I'm gonna get changed because I think we're just gonna go to the coffee club and then go to the shops instead. Which sucks, I was really excited to go. But, oh well. But yeah, I don't really feel like wearing this to the shops.
Barbie ball.
Chicken palmy pasta, yum. I'll post it as a short. Good morning. It's... Thank you. It's 10 o'clock. I'm in fresh pajamas. Athena's in fresh pajamas. It's raining.
Bye.
Bye. I think, oh, Piggy. I think what I want to do now is make Mars bar fudge because I've got all the stuff left to make fudge. And I can't sit still. Like, I've done my work. I've had a few important phone calls. Done my work. There's a little bit more I can do later, but I might just wait. Fudge is in. It is going to be delicious. Here it is. Yum. So it's Mars bar and Biscoff. So like I put condensed milk and Mars bars, mixed it, added the cake mix, mixed it, crushed up Biscoff, mixed it. I'm just boiling the kettle because I'm gonna make a condensed milk coffee. You saw in my last vlog, I said when you make fudge or when you use condensed milk, keep the tin. And I'm gonna show you why. So yeah, I'm boiling the kettle. I'll pour the boiled water into here. Like, I don't know, I kind of make the coffee in there and then pour it. You'll see. So obviously I have my coffee machine, but I just feel like with this, using instant coffee works better. One thing I like about this as well, you can easily make it a little bit stronger because the milk is so sweet. It kind of balances it out. So if you got a toddler or you're just tired, it's really, really good. So, thanks for teaching me that one, Dad. Oh. Even just licking the spoon. So good. So yummy. Your Poppy in heaven taught Mummy how to make that. Yeah. Yummy. You want to cuddle? Yeah, and then we go to bed.
The last thing I wanted to touch on was expose that you're not 100% sober. I just wanted to say that now before we...
Happy Tuesday. I kept thinking that yesterday was Tuesday, so it doesn't feel like Tuesday for me. But we have got a bit of a busy morning on. It's currently 10 to 10. I want Athena to have a nap around 11:30, 12-ish. Yesterday she didn't fall asleep until 1. Then she woke up at 3:15, and at 9:30 p.m. we were all wide awake. So that wasn't fun. Lesson learned to just wake her up if she sleeps past her normal time. I knew it would happen, but I thought, I'll let her sleep. It won't happen. It happened. Anyway, busy day today. I've got to get cash out for the lawnmower man tomorrow. I've got to go to Bunnings and get some door locks because Athena has worked out that she can reach and open all of our doors. So that's fun. What else? I've got to go to the bank because I got my new card, but it arrived with my maiden name, not my married name, which is the whole reason why I went to the bank. Anyway, I activated it anyway because I needed it, but then randomly I just got a new one in the mail with Jessica Palladino, but there's nowhere to activate it. Like, it's not on the app. So I'm going to go into the bank and see if they can help. And then what else? Got to go to Aldi and do a top up of meat. What else? I wanted to go to Kmart and see if they have more of those little storage tubs because they look really, really nice and neat, and I like just being able to chuck her toys in. It's out of the way. And they fit perfectly under like our kitchen bench, you know. I've had 2 coffees at home. I was going to go and get a coffee, like a tiramisu cold brew or something at Young, but I had this bad boy in the fridge and I thought, you know what, why waste money? I've already had 2 coffees, I don't need one. Okay, little girl is asleep. I'm not sure how long I've got, but she looks so cute and beautiful. It has just started raining so heavy, but I bought more of these. I bought 3 more, so I've got 4 in total. And I'm just gonna chuck, like, I'll show you what I've done with this other one. So this is like why I want it, because it's just easy to chuck everything in. She can see everything, grab everything, but it looks neat. So that's what I've done with the original one. So as you can see, she's still got like other bits and pieces laying around. She's got all of her books. So yeah, I just want to have quite a few like along here. It's nice and neat. It actually fits like pretty much perfect in there. So let's do this while she sleeps. I might actually just close the bedroom door so that I don't wake her up. She looks so beautiful. Does that not just melt your heart? Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? She's so bloody cute. This is just so much better. I'm already liking it so much more. I can never actually have my blinds open because a little someone thinks as soon as they're open they need to be closed, and she pulls them down to the point where they're all like broken. We don't care. When we sell this place, we're going to put like floor to ceiling curtains and stuff anyway. But where was I going with this story? Oh yeah, she's asleep, so I'm making the most of it, and I've got all my windows open. And I'm just gonna put some stuff away that I got from Aldi. Right, whilst she sleeps, I'm gonna put her washing away. I can't put ours away because she's asleep in our bed anyway. So I may as well put hers away. I think she's waking up. Yep, she's looking for me. Oh no, she's awake, she's up. Good morning. We are off to the duckies.
Is it soul destroying in a way? Was it working on this file? It was released late.
Here, would you like some yogurt?
Mom.
Okay. Ready? It's egg, flour, capsicum, spinach, zucchini, carrot, and Greek yogurt. Did I say flour? And there was 4 left, so I've literally just put, oh, and also like these wraps at the bottom. But there were 4 left, so I've literally just cracked 2 eggs and yeah, mixed them and chucked them in. So we'll see how they turn out. Okay, yum. These seem to have turned out amazing. So I'll definitely make them again and record it and actually put the recipe. Good morning. Happy Thursday, last day of the vlog. I keep thinking that it's Friday, like all day. I mean, all week I've been thinking it's like the next day. So I woke up excited, thinking it was Friday, thinking, oh yay, it's the weekend. No. I was wrong. These little bits of hair, ignore my regrowth, I'm going to fix it tomorrow night. But these little bits of hair, oh my gosh. And you know, like the only way I feel like I can fix them is if I put oil in them. But I get really oily hair anyway. Maybe I should, I wonder if a slick stick, surely that's, yeah. Maybe I'm getting a slick stick. All right, I'll get a slick stick because like, look at that. That is crazy. All right, I'm going to do my eyebrows and then do a little bit of makeup. Hi. All right, eyebrows are done. It makes such a big difference. Like now I feel like I don't even need makeup, but I'm going to put some on anyway, just because I like doing it. I'm actually really loving this Lava Art Cushion Foundation. It's very, very lightweight and natural looking. I'm pretty sure this is just like PVA glue, but I love the MCO Beauty Brow Laminate. So good. Although, because before I had Athena, I had my own lash and brow business, I do actually do a proper lamination on my brows, but not all the time. So I don't like the super, super laminated look. I like just a tiny bit and then fill in the little gaps. I shouldn't say anything because I'll jinx it. But I can't believe that that little girl is in the lounge room watching Barbie, letting me do this. I've been in here for how long? Half an hour? And she's letting me just, you know, she'll pop her head in occasionally. But that is like unheard of. She is so clingy. I kind of feel like curling my hair, but also like, nah, maybe not. I've already put heat on it. I don't want to straighten it and then put heat on it by curling it. And I don't want to jinx it. I just said that she's happily playing by herself, watching Barbie. But I don't know how long that's going to last for. She's coming. I can hear her coming. Hi. Oh, thank you. Is that for me?
Happy.
You want uppies?
Happy.
All right. Would you like to pick some clothes to wear today? What would you like to wear?
Barbie.
Barbie? Barbie? What pants are you going to wear?
Barbie.
Oh, look, you can wear pink shorts. Oh, you look adorable. What is that? That one? Yeah, I can put it in your hair. Actually, I need to fix your hair. Let's fix your hair.
Happy.
Okay. There you go. I think the other day I mentioned I was going to go to Bunnings and get like door locks and what else was going to do? Anyway, I never got the chance to do it because she had to fall asleep, and then I was going to go when she woke up, but didn't go. Anyway, so we're going to go get some door locks because she just opened the garage door, like the internal garage door. She just opened it. That ain't good. Okay, let's give this a try. Lemon cheesecake. And I'm starving, so it's probably going to taste good regardless. Okay, that actually tastes like lemon cheesecake. It legitimately tastes like I'm eating cheesecake, just yogurt form. You know how sometimes companies will say, like, this is the flavor, and then it actually tastes nothing like that? If I had to rate this, I would give it an 8 out of 10. Little girl is yawning. I'm watching her on the camera. So let's go. Hopefully she falls asleep. I've just put up at the park. She fell asleep. So my plan was to go to Bunnings. She fell asleep 2 minutes before I got to Bunnings, so I've come to the park. I want to edit this vlog and just chill until she wakes up, and then we'll go to Bunnings, go to the chemist, go to maybe KFC. I can't get my drink that I want now because obviously I can't leave her in the car and they don't have a drive-through. Could go to KFC, but I'd rather edit this video and go to KFC when she wakes up, just so that I don't wake her up accidentally. This is so good. It came with a little biscuit, but Athena ate it. They're cute. Where's Barbie?
Barbie.
Well done. Remember from a couple of weeks ago, that creepy guy that tried to get into my car? Well, he has slightly changed his appearance after I posted that photo of him on Facebook. But when I was at the chemist, I saw him, but he was in a car as I got back to my car. So, and he was like, you know, kind of like opposite me. But I got in, locked the car door, and then I've come to these shops and I see him in Big W, and I'm like, I heard his voice first, and obviously I recognized his voice. Like, I don't know how you could forget the sound of someone that terrifies you like he did. Why do old people act like it's illegal to sit in your car? Yes. Whoa. Thank you. What was I saying? Oh, and I got this weird... Congratulations, you've parked in one of today's lucky spots. This was on my door. Oh, for the bin. And look, usually I wouldn't like stop and get this off, but firstly, I'm literally parked, like, the entrance to the shops is like literally 5 meters from my car. And also, it was on my door, so I could easily just grab it when I got in. But that was weird. What was I saying? Yeah, that creepy guy. So I heard his voice. He's changed the way he looks. He's shaved his beard, got a bit of a haircut. Was still wearing the same shirt though. And I see him, and Athena is so friendly, and I'm like, she's gonna run up to him or something. I don't know if I don't think he was following me. I think it's just a coincidence that he's at the same place I am. I don't know. But now I might take the long way home, because I actually genuinely don't know if he is following me. But anyway, yeah, I heard him, saw him, grabbed Athena, because I was just letting her walk around. It was actually when she was looking at all the clothes. I heard him like in the why are you in the children's section? I got Athena, she wears these like sleep sacks. They're usually like $18 or $20. This was $5. They had heaps, but I thought I'd just grab one. She already has a few. So I thought I'd just get another one. Yeah, that was really scary. I might not go home straight. I might drive around. Good excuse to go to KFC. All right, let's go. Just tried the liquid gold sauce from KFC. So good. It is a little bit spicy. I can't do spice, but I can handle that. And but there's a little seagull eating all of my chips. Someone is very clingy. I know that we just had KFC, however, I had already planned to have like KFC kind of style chicken burgers for dinner. Super, super easy though. It'll take like 15-20 minutes in the air fryer. I'll probably show you them, but I probably won't do much more talking to the camera, because I kind of just want to chill and relax, do some colouring in, do some Barbie colouring in whilst I watch my show. Well, if I don't speak to the camera again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. As always, I enjoyed creating it, making it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.